Without a doubt, it's useful to have a variety of tools around, since they can be used for so many purposes, from painting to sculpting to DIY projects to car repair. There are tons of cool tools out there that help us perform our chores faster, more efficiently, and accurately, and we've rounded up some of the top newest tools. Esco HD Stud Clean. Coming up equipped with an internal stainless steel stud cleaning system, this tool cleans both the hub and stud at the same time on medium and heavy-duty trucks. It is an all-in-one hub that cleans the wheels and hubs and prevents corrosion and rust from mating surfaces and studs, allowing accurate torque, preventing potential vibrations, and seized rims. The cleaning pads are exceptionally tough and will remove rust and other corrosion with ease without damaging studs or other steel components. It has the ability to accommodate medium up to heavy-duty truck stud size 3/4 inches and 22 mm. It is compatible with half-inch air impacts and it doesn't require any replacement parts. It also has a highly dense abrasive cleaning pad that lasts longer than many abrasive cleaning pads on the market. OEM Tool 24468 Emergency Tools. An all-in-one handy tool that consists of tire inflator, battery jump starter, hydraulic jack, and a built-in 3-mode LED flashlight that will help you when you're stuck in the road with a dead battery or a tire. The battery jump starter will jumpstart your vehicle with 200 cold cranking amps and 400 amps for peak current. It comes with a 1200 mAh lithium-ion battery, which can hold the charge up to 6 months. It is very simple to use. The 3-ton jack, which has a lifting range of 7.25 inches to 14.25 inches, can be positioned and can be activated simply with no need of using manual labor. The 1.2 standard cubic feet per minute allows you to quickly inflate tires, and the powerful LED flashlight will help you when you encounter low-light situations. Please click the subscribe button. Ecocut Pro. Save time and money by cutting off the damaged windscreen rubber tubes instead of buying a new one. The Ecocut Pro makes it easy to cut wipers in just 3 seconds with its extra thin and specially coated micro-knife blade. There is no need to replace windscreen wipers when the rubber lip is damaged. Give your wiper blades a new look again by bringing back its original angular shape back. It also allows you to protect your environment by saving the resources, as you will use 1 renewed wiper blade instead of 2. Made in Germany, it's suitable for all brands of windscreen wipers of normal cars. Its ergonomic, practical design and high-quality workmanship makes it a reliable tool that you will need to accomplish wipe blade cutting and reuse. The Gecko Grip. Organizing and stowing tools can become easy thanks to the Gecko Grip flexible tool and parts tray that keeps your tools from getting lost and within reach of all your automotive, boat, home, plumbing, electrical, gardening, and painting needs. This tray can cling to almost all clean, smooth, flat, or curved surfaces. The Gecko strip is non-inflammable and they are made up of premium silicone materials that is built to withstand the toughest moments. They can also resist heat of up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, thus making it usable in multiple applications ranging from autonomous. They are oil and chemical solvent resistant and also easy to clean with soap and water. The scratch-proof trays keep surfaces safe while storing tools for any project that you will be undertaking. 12-volt Roadside Impact Wrench. An impact gun with a 1/2 inch drive to 58 feet-pound torque power, tire repair tools with sockets and carry case that brings you back in the road in no time. The 258 feet-pounds of torque power loosens and tightens the vehicle lug nuts for tires. The 5,000 RPM no-load speed ensures you encounter no trouble spinning off the loosened lug nuts and will assist you in putting them back on. This tool is suited for all maintenance applications like light vehicle tire changing, general maintenance on vehicles, and MRO applications. It also comes packed with a spare fuse and 2 double-sided sockets, 17 by 19 mm and 21 by 23 mm. Simply plug in the 12-volt DC plug into your vehicle's 12-volt DC socket and start to use it. These tools have proved to be very useful as they are necessary for everyday use. They definitely hold some promise for improving our everyday usage. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more cool videos like this.